From my very childhood, I have learned that man proposes, but God disposes. How deep it is, I am going to share with you today. In one of my previous videos, I have told you guys that I am trying to settle here in Bangalore, at least for a little long. Me and my husband started buying things. We were in a mood to arrange our nest in our own way. Everything was going well, but suddenly we got the call and we are moving again. Now I am packing my stuff sincerely. I love doing this thing. Sometimes it gives me anxiety also. I appreciate things by its utility, not by its extrinsic price. In last 6 years, I have shifted 9 to 10 times. So shifting is not a big deal for me anymore. People ask me in an astonishing voice, how can I be so calm about this, or how can I manage all this by myself? Well, I can tell you the truth. It is not that I don't face any troublesome. Not physically, but mentally I get exhausted. I experience panic attack, I get anxious, I get scared. Then I get my control back because deep in my heart I know that only one thing is constant in life, that is change. Growth comes with a change, and we have to accept that. I'm a free spirit. I actually belong to this beautiful world. I belong to the whole universe. So, as I got the call, I am moving again.